Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Claude AI capacity errors. So Claude shows, let's say, a capacity or overloaded error when Anthropic's servers are under heavy load and can't handle new requests. So what you can do is basically just wait. Capacity errors are usually temporary, seconds to a few minutes. Just wait a moment and try sending your message again. Then you can basically reload a page. You can try different hours. So you can try early morning or late night, often works because it's not that busy. Then some, let's say, browser cache can sometimes cause issue. So if you clear cache cookies and log back in, probably you can also solve this issue. Then what you also have option, you can upgrade to the Claude Pro. So as a free tier user are the first to be rated limited during high traffic. So subscribers of Claude get some priority access, which significantly reduce how often you see capacity errors. Now, if you are more advanced and you are a developer, you can access Claude via the API with a paid account. Gives you more reliable throughput and explicit rate limit controls. So yeah, this is basically what you can try and do to fix capacity errors. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.